So I've been seeing you like my cat a lot. He got me a lot of views. His name is Gray. I like the color, yeah. He's very fat. He's like a walking stomach. He's very cute when he's closed his eyes. He's so cute. Rate him 1 of 10. How cute it is. He's so fat and cute. The perfect combination. Bye. And this is my other cat. His name is Nella. She very scared cat. Every move can scare her. She has a lot of hair. Like every time she get close to me like this, I have a lot of hair behind. So you have met her. Yeah. Oh my god, my hand is so big. So cute. Say bye, Nella. Bye.